Welcome back to the Cocktail Chronicles Blueprint series, where you gain inside access to the decisions that will help you build out great bar programs and establishments that last. Let's uncover the secrets of how high-volume bars run efficiently without compromising quality. In high-volume settings, flow is everything, and what I've noticed on some of the most successful bar programs I've witnessed is that they have a few key pillars in point that allow this to happen. Number one is going to be batching. If you're making every single craft cocktail from scratch with 6 to 8 touches per cocktail, you have a backup on service. Batching is the best way to efficiently run craft cocktails at a high level. Something that I notice people can get caught up when it comes to high volume bars is just looking at the surroundings and saying, it's busy. But is it busy or is it chaos? Two different things. And when you're thinking about running an efficient high volume program, speed and efficiency come from predictability, not from rushing. High volume bars often get lost and disguised in being busy when in actual they are drowning in chaos. To avoid this from happening, we need to not just only focus on speed when we're talking about high volume, but also consistency and the guest experience. The best way to analyze your flow of service is to use the bottleneck test, and there's 3 components to that: ordering, preparation, and execution. So when your guests are coming up and placing an order, is it a smooth flow? Are they able to easily and quickly and efficiently place their order with your staff? Second, now it's the staff's job to carry out the order. Are they set up for success? Are all of their items stocked? Is everything in the computer properly put in so they can ring things in quickly and efficiently? Last, for execution, is it a seamless flow from A to B? These are the 3 things we want to look at as owners to determine if there's any areas of weakness that we need to tighten up in our service flow. Now, there are a lot of factors that come into play when we're determining which one of these 3 topics might be the issue that you need to zone in on in your own establishment. But what I've noticed is that if you take a look at all 3, there is a good chance that one of the areas will need a bit tightening up. The answers that your bottleneck tests reveal will help you make the right decisions on which areas you need to focus on to strengthen your flow of service. Now let's talk about flow versus speed. And let's not get it confused, they are not the same thing. When we're thinking about a flow, this equals to your bartenders and servers knowing exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. A well-optimized service flow means that your bartenders and servers know exactly what to do and when to do it, leaving little to no room for chaos and errors. I would say one of the most powerful tools is menu engineering. This means ensuring that your menu is properly built out. Your top-selling cocktail should be intentionally placed on the menu. There is actually a scientific method for where and how we place things on a menu that actually helps sell them better. Ensuring that your menu is engineered for success will create higher revenue, a better flow of service, and better guest retention. Another thing I think that gets overlooked in menu engineering is thinking about what things are not performing. When we've engineered our menu with intention and strategy, it's easier for us to observe which cocktails are performing and which cocktails are not. When we have this information, it allows us to place things properly on the menu so we can continue to focus and highlight what we would like to and remove, replace, and optimize what is not doing well on our menus. This all stems from menu engineering. This mindset and these strategies will help keep your bar flow smooth and your guest experience enjoyable. Stay tuned for next week where we talk about next level ingredient sourcing and partnerships.